much honesty actually damage a relationship?
As much as possible, kung kailangan kong sabihin, sasabihin ko talaga. Kaya tayo magkaibigan eh.
Relax, Carlo. Wala pa sila.
Hindi!
Tama
Sorry,
na,
sorry,
Carlo.
sorry.
Tama na.
Hello, ako si Carlo Aquino.
And ako po si Bella Padilla.
Kung meron kayong isang philosophy about romantic relationships, what would that be?
If you wanted to a friend, not alone, a loved one. Olivia Dean na lang. That idea, like if your actions or your thoughts or your words are not fit even for a friend, maybe it's time to walk away because your loved one doesn't deserve it.
Ako dahil kasal na ako, the wife is always right. Kung mali siya, we'll talk about this.
Happy wife, happy life. All right.
Yes or no? It's okay to have a past that your partner doesn't fully know.
Yes.
No. Kaya ka naghanap ng life partner para you can be open, di ba? With everything.
Parang lately I've realized we don't need to trauma dump on our partners.
Hindi, pero hindi naman sinabi na bad experience. Just,
Parang ano,
lipat na ba ako?
Hindi.
Okay.
siguro there are things you don't need to talk about, but if it comes out naturally, like in conversation, then it's okay. Maybe because I know who I am as a person also. I have nothing to hide. I'm also very loyal. My life's an open book. Everything's on social media. So, because I have nothing to hide, then...
Yun din yung ano ko, parang hindi naman kailangan na sabihin ko na ganito. Kapag ka in passing na napagkwentuhan, oy, may ganito, ganyan. Nangyari kasi to noon. Ganun lang. Pero not necessarily na ako yung mag-open up na ganun.
Is withholding information the same as lying?
Withholding information? Hindi eh.
Oo nga, bakit mo tinanong?
depende
Kasi
sa
withholding
intent.
parang action siya, no? Withholding is a deliberate action, yes.
Ganon din, bumabagsak. Kung hindi naman napagkukwentuhan, kung hindi naman nasabi,
O, di dapat yung sagot mo kanina, yes, tas ako, no. Balik natin sa question
First-
number 1.
Ah,
Deliberate kasi yung to withhold, it's an action, right? Parang you knew something, tas hindi mo sinabi. Kailan mo huling ginawa yun?
Alin?
Withholding information.
Hindi nga eh, kasi nga open nga ako eh. Unless hindi ko naalalang sabihin or hindi siya
Yun
intention.
withholding.
Oo.
Ano yun eh, nakalimutan.
Oo.
Nakaligtaan.
Sinadya mo kapag ka withhold mo eh. So,
Yeah, parang withholding receipt yan eh. Ano ba yun? I'm also not saying this is a bad thing, like withholding information or lying specifically. Like, when is lying okay, right? Like ako, contextual. Like when my dad died, yung ate ko told me not to tell our other siblings that our dad died for a few days. Kahit tawagan nila ako because they were out of the country. So you're withholding information from them. But we had to do that for them to protect them from something. So there are situations I feel na
okay.
it's necessary.
Oo.
So I'm not saying that withholding information or lying is necessarily the worst thing if you contextualize it.
Depende nga kung saan manggagaling at kung may masasaktan ba or kung, di ba?
Pero kung masasaktan dahil may ginawa ka, kailangan mo ba sabihin?
Oo, yes.
Rip the band-aid off.
Yes or no? Can too much honesty actually damage a relationship?
Sayas ka ba? Sayas ka ba? Okay.
Hirap!
Ang hirap dito.
Ako nagkaroon ako ng situation na ganyan eh. Parang lagi ako sinasabihan ng particular words na I guess in their head it was constructive criticism. It was good for me. Because I wasn't speaking up then, it's probably also my fault. It kept eating at me na I started becoming resentful. Kasi for me, love has to have consideration eh. Did you consider my situation today when you told me the truth? Did you consider my temperament today when you told me the truth that I didn't need to hear today? So, yeah.
Hindi kasi nga as much as possible, kung kailangan kong sabihin, sasabihin ko talaga. Kasi ganun ako klaseng kaibigan. Kahit na uncomfortable ka, kailangan kitang i-real to. Kailangan mong malaman na ganito yung mangyayari kapag, di ba? Kaya mo ako tropa eh. Kaya tayo magkaibigan eh.
Relax, Carlo. Wala pa sila.
Hindi!
Tama
Sorry,
na,
sorry,
Carlo.
sorry.
Tama na.
Sino magsasabi sa'yo? Sino magiging honest sa'yo kung
Si
hindi
Carlo.
ako?
So, okay sa'yo na nasabi mo yung totoo pero baka friendship over na kayo.
Yeah. Masakit, oo. Pero ganun talaga. Bakit
Kesa sa
gusto
iba.
mo marinig sa ibang tao na hindi mo naman ka-close? Na hindi mo naman kakilala? Na
Totoo.
hindi... Ako magsasabi sa'yo. May putok ka, ganun. Ay, hindi. Sorry.
Sino makausap mo?
Should you ever let go of someone you still love?
Oo.
Sakit pala ng araw na to.
Sorry.
Okay naman kami. Kung doon talaga papunta, kung tinry mo naman, tinry yung dalawa,
tinry din ng iba.
Oo, di ba? Kung may kasama ng yung mga friends nyo, kung wala talagang pupuntahan, bakit ka pa magsistay? Tsaka aabot din sa point na masasaktan nyo yung isa't isa, lalo, bakit gusto mo pa yun? Eh, dati naman mahal nyo yung isa't isa.
Yeah.
Grabe yung
Dialogue kasi natin to sa movie natin eh. Sa Meet Me in St. Gallen. As much as possible, huwag ka nang gumawa ng mga ikakasira nung before memories nyo. Kasi sayang eh. I hate hearing about friends na yung relationships na sisira ng yung wasak na wasak in the end. Kasi ang dami pang sinabi na hurtful. Na at one point in your life, you guys were each other's best friends. You know, like no one knew you guys more than each other. Why did you get to a point na magsasalita kayo ng ganyan or magsasakitan kayo? Mamimili yung mga barkada nyo between the two of you when at one point you were each other's number one fans, you know? Let go when you still can. You can't expect people to stay in your life forever talaga. Some people are just chapters. And that's okay. Ikaw yung main character ng book mo eh. Ikaw lang yung magsastay in the end. So,
Bigat-bigat ko na po dito.
sakit!
Walking away from a relationship is more selfish than selfless.
Hindi.
No.
Katulad nung sinabi mo, ikaw yung bida sa sarili mong book.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? Hindi mo naman sinukuan eh. Di ba? Kung nilaban mo, bakit?
Hanggang dito na lang.
Oo, ito na lang. Ito na ako. O, paano na yung utak ko? Paano na yung buong buhay ko?
Ganito ba sa tingin mo yung pinagdaanan din ni Sandra and Dindo sa Special Memory? Do you think selfish yun na parang linayuan niya, nawalan siya ng memory?
I think Sandra thought it would be more selfless to walk away from Dindo and their
Tapos
life.
yung iniisip naman na ginawa ni Dindo ni Sandra, sobrang selfish mo.
Oh, ba't mo pinipili yung sarili mo?
Oo.
May buhay tayo.
Oo, eh, kailangan magkasama tayo para labanan to. Kahit na wala na tayong kalaban-laban, magkasama tayo.
Si Sandra naman ang thinking, yes, ayoko maging pabigat, so aalis na lang ako.
Tinanggap naman ni Dindo yung bigat na yun. So, kailangan nating
I-figure out
Oo.
together. Hirap ng movie na.
kakasakit na yung leading.
Sorry.
Pero what about you, Bella? Why do you think it's more selfless?
To walk away. Because some people can't speak up. Some people will be complacent. Some people are okay rotting away in their same life. So if you have to be the bigger person, kahit ikaw na yung masama, ikaw na lang yung mag-walk away. Kasi yung barkada niyan, mamimili mo na yan eh.
Oo.
Lahat kakampi muna sa isa, okay lang. Babalik din kayo sa akin one day. Or maghahati tayo, okay lang. Basta, you take what you need for now. I'll be fine.
Ikaw yung bida sa...
Sarili mong libro.
Yes or no? Are closures necessary?
Yes.
Hindi naman. Kailangan.
Closure is necessary for you to move on, but closure doesn't always have to come from the other person in the relationship. It can come from yourself.
Hindi
Give
kailangan-
yourself closure.
Kung kaya mong mag-closure ng sarili mo nga, edi...
Gawin mo for yourself, but it's necessary. Don't enter your next relationship na you're not healed. Oh, dito ka na ulit sa yes.
Hindi ba yan yung necessarily usap na one-on-one with friends or with your ex or you're with...
Closure with
Parang
other
hindi, kasi-
people na lang.
Oh, with other people. siya yung lumilipat ngayon.
Yung nanakit sa'yo, na i-explain sa'yo, bakit kita sinaktan? Kasi eto yung mga gamit na binigay mo sa akin. Sa'yo na ulit yan.
Dagdag pa yun sa isipin mo sa buhay. Ayoko na lang sumagot. Dito na lang ako.
Carlo, sagutin mo na. Ikaw nga yung may asawa dito. Ako wala nga. Tapos ako yung sagot na sagot. Tulak kita dyan. Ito na pala yung last project namin dalawa. Dahil sa Recreate, nag-away kami.
If meron one thing nag-stand out the most na related sa topic natin today, dun sa film, na pwede nyo i-share sa mga tao, ano yun?
Ako gusto ko yung is it selfless or selfish to walk away? Kasi yun nga yung pinagdadaanan ni Sandra and Dindo. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, magkaiba nga yung perspective natin dun sa film. Kasi both of them are trying to be selfless. Pero sa utak ng isa, selfish ka. Sa utak ng isa, I don't wanna be selfish.
And yun. Kapag ka may partner ka, may hindi talaga kayo pagkakaintindihan, may hindi pagkakasunduan. Ganon magkaroon ng partner. Kapatid mo
Ganun ba,
nga
Carlo? So, what's your advice as somebody who is choosing someone every day?
compromise. Lagi. Tsaka wag maghihiyang magtanong.
Huwag kang mahihiya.
Hiyang magtanong. Gamot na naman. Oh. At saka yun nga, conversation, sobrang importante na makipag-usap ka.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, I'm Bella Padilla.
Ako po si Carlo Aquino.
And we have a movie coming out.
Sa March 11 po, huwag niyo kakalimutan ang special memory. Pag nakalimutan niyo, si
Mauubo
Sandra.
kayo.